I was out here working on my shed tonight, and was moving, stuff from this area to clean up. Like I said, I would be doing in one of my other videos. So I can use this workbench under this work uh, light there. So I've been moving odds and ends to back here and cleaning up as I go. Anyway, I pulled out this cooler. Was been sitting here a long time with boxes over it, and anyway, look what I found in the cooler. All right, my old tackle box. There's a stringer. Put this on here. Let me open up that tackle box and see what's in there. Oh no, hadn't seen that thing in a long time. Tackle Logic tackle box. Got some old paint on it. I need to clean it up. Nah, I'll just leave it the way it is. Oh man. Cool. I bet those things are just so, oh, they actually feel good. Yeah, they're yuck. Ew. I'm gonna wipe my hand off. Is there anything out here to wipe my hand on? All right, well, I'm not gonna touch those things anymore. Hang on, let me. All right. You'd think I'd have paper towels out in my shop, but I think I put them in the trunk of the car when I was working on the car. All right, back to the tackle box. Hang on. Ah, there we go. All right. I was going to say those things look good, but I picked it up and they were kind of weird feeling. Kind of like moisture in there or something. But it felt good. I'm not going to touch those things. But I've got little odds and ends lures, floats, sinkers. Yeah, little odds and ends. Oh, hey. I've been wondering where on earth that thing went. I had searched all over the house for that. Man, you know what? Got me some string in there too. Wow. I got my critter, backwoods critter stuff here. Yeah, I'd been looking for my Leatherman. I had no clue where that, let me back this up so I can see. I had no clue where that thing disappeared to. It was in my tackle box. Now that I know, I got all kinds of things down in there. Let me, so I got some sinkers in there, got some floats. My old filet knife. Odds and ends. All right, let me turn the light on in this thing. Oh, I don't know how to turn the light on. Oh, okay. I got an old cast net, a bunch of cast net sinkers. I'm gonna have to build myself a cast net. I had gone to Walmart and looked at some stuff, and they didn't have any cast nets. That line still looks pretty good. Boppers. All right. Cool. All right. Yeah, I was thinking about going fishing, and now I'm really wanting to go fishing. I found my tackle box. Yeah. I got an assortment of hooks in there. Assortment of little floats. Little hook and line. One thing I always do, I think that was kind of loud, but one thing I always do when I go fishing is I spend a lot of time looking for stuff, and I end up finding, like I'll find things like this, or that. I think I found that one time. I had no clue what that is. Frog. Oh, I remember that thing. I remember catching a catfish with that thing one time. It floats on the top of the water. It looks like a frog. It feels gunky right now. Ew, thing's been in here for years. Yuck. I'm going to wash my hands again. Hey. It's empty. And like another little Leatherman thing that fit in that. I think I've got that one in the house, but I couldn't find, just couldn't find the big one. All right. Yeah, that cooler right there was one that I had used for fishing whenever I'd catch fish. I had ice up in there, and whenever I'd bring the fish home, I would just throw them in the cooler. Get out, bug. All right. Critter, insect repellent, or cutter, I'm sorry. Perfect. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Well, I was going to make a cleaning the shed video, but I think this one's going to be a gone fishing video. Look at that. And I think that other cooler right there I had used for fishing as well. And this was one of our little lights that we used to take with us. I wonder what's in that thing. I'll look in that cooler later. But right up there's my fishing poles. I need to break those things out and put new line on them and clean them up and all that good stuff. Got some other fishing gear down in here. I think I'll do that. On my next 3 days off of work, I'm going to come out here to the shed and I'm going to clean up all my fishing gear. And I'm going to go fishing. All right.